Let's play with sand. The blue fish hid in pink sand. And who hid here? A lilac bee. In the green sand hid a yellow turtle. And in the blue sand, a pink starfish. Hi, Peppa. What do you have? Sand and molds? I have a shovel. I want to play. Good. Let's play. A fish. Cool. And now we tap. A bee. I like it. Let's make another. Turtles? Green and yellow. Now for the last mold. A starfish. Do you like playing? Yes! I loved it! A fish. A bee. A turtle. And a starfish. Do you want to see more interesting videos? Maybe this? Or this? Or this one? Or this? Choose one now. Choose quickly before they disappear.